channel. So today I have my niece Jada here. Wanna say hi?
Hi.
So today we are doing our weekly Sunday daily hair wash. This is what I got to deal with, guys. All this long, thick, curly hair, pretty hair. So with no further ado, let me show you what we do on Sundays. So you guys, I am about to wash her hair, which I have Garnier Fructis shampoo and Garnier Fructis conditioner here. So I'm just going to test the water because I don't want the water to be too hot or too cold. Yes, she has really thick and curly hair. So with that being said, I have to wash her hair in sections. Yes, sections. This is one of our Sunday daily routines for us, auntie and niece time. So now I'm just lavendering up one part of her hair with shampoo, really good. As you can see, I'm struggling here to, separate her hair. I want to get it shampooed from root to end really good. So with that being said, I have to use the separation process. Like I want to get down in her scalp like really good. So as you see, I have got a detangling brush to try to, help with the process a little bit better. I'm trying to get her hair from being tangled, like it's tangled really bad. That's the problem we have with her hair, it being very tangled. Luckily, she's not tender-headed at all, so it makes it a little bit easier to work with her. So I finally gave up trying to detangle her hair in the sink. It was working my arms to death. So I have set her in the seat with shampoo. I have not conditioned her hair yet. Shampoo, and I am just sectioning her hair off, and I am detangling it from root to end. As you can see, it's like a web. The Garnier Fructis works really well on her hair. It really brings out her curls. Like they really define her curls. Like not only does it define her curls, it gives her hair a shine and it smells amazing. I have noticed with doing my niece's hair that when her hair has been washed for at least twice a week that it is less tangled and more manageable. But when she goes a week and don't wash her hair, it be more matted together, more tangled, more frizzy, and harder to manage. This is the struggle that I have to deal with on Sundays. Like, as you can see, it's massive, ridiculous tangle. Like, I feel like it's no hope. But, anyways, as you can see, I have detangled one half of her head. The struggle is real. This is a great arm workout as well. Finally, I have detangled all of her hair. Look how long and thick and curly her hair is. So now we're just going to move on to rinsing it out. So now I have rinsed the soap, the shampoo rather, out of her hair. I'm going to make sure like I get it out all the way. Make sure it's not subby or anything like that. Make sure I get it from root to end and do a little deep washed. She was loving this part. And now all I'm going to do now is condition her hair with the Garnier Fructis conditioner. And I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the shampoo. I'm going to condition her hair from root to end. I want the conditioner to set into her hair because it makes it really, really soft and it makes it more manageable to handle when it's really soft. So I'm just going to apply a little more conditioner on her hair and make sure I get it down in her scalp like really, really, really good. And I'm going to rinse it out, not with hot water. The water is not cold, but it's not hot either. It's like lukewarm. And I'm going to rinse that out. I am finishing up of rinsing the conditioner out of her hair. So now I'm just going to wring all the water out like really good so that the towel won't be drenched. And I am going to show you guys how I dry her hair. Now, as you can see, her hair has been washed and conditioned. It is beautiful. You see the tangles, it's not as bad, still a little tangled, but not nowhere near the way it was tangled before I started. You see the comb just goes right through it. See that Garnier Fructis give her hair like a really good shine. It defines her curls and it smells amazing. She loves it. So do I. So now I'm just going to work the comb through her, work the brush through her hair so that when I blow dry her hair, it won't be a little tingles. I have completely blow dried her hair. As you can see, it's all poofy. Look at all this hair. I have dried it from root to end, and now I'm just trying to figure out exactly what style are we going to go with this week. As you can see, she have more hair than I can handle. Now I'm just going to part it down the middle to make it a little bit easier to moisturize her hair. So I got my hair tie, and I'm going to put on half of her hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to work with the other half. So the part is not perfect, but it's okay. So what I have here is the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to apply a small amount in my hand, and I'm going to rub it from root to end. This is how I moisturize her hair, from root to end. I have moisturized one half of her hair. As you can see, her curls are really defined with the leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love it. So now I'm just going to moisturize the other half. I have moisturized her entire head. As you can see, it looks really, really, really good, but we don't do well with wearing our hair down. So I am going to call in their beautician because Auntie do not know how to braid. So because my niece want braids and I don't know how to braid, I'm going to call in a beautician with all this pretty hair. So my sister, the beautician, with her amazing self, she have came in to save me. Yay! She is braiding my niece's hair for me, and she is doing a marvelous job. Thanks, sis. So she has completely braided the top of her hair, and she is working her way towards the back. So I'm gonna let her finish, and I'll show you guys the end results. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of our hair day wash. This is our end result. Turn around. That is our end result. Okay. So comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.